What if you could use an AI that understands real-time trends, gives smart answers, and helps you stay ahead of everyone? In this video, I will show you how to use Grok AI step by step and how you can use it for productivities, content creation, and even making money online. Make sure watch till the end because I will also share some powerful tips. So first, what is Grok AI? Grok is an advanced AI chatbot developed by XAI and integrated with the X platform. Unlike many other AI tools, Grok can access real-time information and trending topics. This makes it very useful for people who want up-to-date answers and insights. To use Grok AI, first go to the X platform. Log into your account. Grok is available inside X, so you need access to it. Once you are inside, look for the Grok option in the sidebar. Now let's try asking something. For example, type, what are the best AI tools in 2026? Grok will instantly generate an answer based on current trends. You can also ask follow-up questions and get deeper insights. Grok is very useful for content creators. You can ask it to generate videos ideas, scripts, and trending topics. For example, you can type, give me 10 viral YouTube video ideas about AI tools. This helps you stay ahead of trends and create content that people are already searching for. Now let's talk about making money. You can use Grok to research trending topics and create YouTube videos. You can also use for freelancing, content writing, and social media management. By using real-time data, you can create content that performs better and get more views. Here are some pro tips. Always ask specific questions. Use follow-up prompts to get better results. And focus on trending topics to maximize your reach. So that's how you can use Grok AI to boost your productivity and create better content. If you want to learn more AI tools and ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to IncomeNest AI. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.